guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these sexy black and gold nails with encapsulated lace. So for this look, I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails clear acrylic along with this black and gold glitter mix that is also available on my website. And I'll be using this gold foil Mia's Secret black acrylic and Long Hair Pretty Nails number 8 oval Kolinsky brush. Alright, so this is a redesign, so I went ahead and filed off the previous nail design and I'm just going to go in with the black and gold glitter. I did pick up a bit of clear and then I dipped that into the glitter, and that is how I'm picking that up on the brush. So I am going to be doing an ombre nail for this one, so I'm just concentrating the glitter on the cuticle area, nail bed area, and then I'm just going to bring it down the nail just a little bit. I do want the clear tip to show through, so that is what I'm doing for this nail, and just putting a bit of clear just to make sure the glitter doesn't shift or anything. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm just going to put my clear around the cuticle areas of the rest of the nails. Alright, so I'll be using this piece of lace. I cut this from a children's headband. So this is cloth lace. So I'm taking this IBD 5-second brush on nail glue, and I'm just going to apply this to my entire nail. And then I'm going to quickly place the lace in place and hold that in place for a few seconds until it is secure. And I'm just going to add more glue to areas where I need it. Alright, so after that, I'm just going to cut the excess lace off with these very sharp sewing scissors. And I just try to cut it a little bit shorter so it doesn't hang over too much, because when you're encapsulating something on the entire nail, you want the edges to kind of be shorter so your acrylic can kind of seal the edges. So that's what I did there. So I'm just going to move on to my middle finger, and I'm working with the Mia's Secrets black acrylic, and I decided to do just the ombre with this as well. I'm being extremely careful around the cuticle area because we all know black can get out of control. Alright, so once that is done, I'm moving on to the index fingernail, and I'm just going to put more of that black and gold glitter mix on the nail bed area and slightly bring it down in an angle. And now I'm putting the gold foil kind of like a border to the glitter. And I just fill in any spaces with the glitter that seems sparse. So for my thumbnail, I'm going to repeat the same process I did for my ring fingernail and applying the lace. So now I'm going to encapsulate all the nails with the clear acrylic. Alright, so for the lace, I just go ahead and wet the lace first with some monomer just so I can get a smooth application. And then I'm going in with small beads of clear acrylic. Because this is cloth lace, it is kind of soaking up all of the liquid. So the first layer of acrylic is pretty much soaking into the lace. So I did have to work with small beads and slowly build this nail up. And as always, when you encapsulate, you want to make sure that you're sealing in all of the corners and the sides and just everything, because when you get to filing, you don't want to file into this lace because then your design will be all messed up. For the encapsulation of the middle fingernail, I just went ahead and wet the nail first with some monomer because I wanted the clear to go on very smooth. So I did that first, and then I'm just going to encapsulate. Alright, so after all of the acrylic has set, I'm just going to go in with my shaping and filing. So after that, I'm just going to wipe the dust off with some alcohol. And now I'm going in with the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And man, these nails just come to life. I love the lace. Oh my God, these turned out so good. And before I cure, I'm gonna go in with these gold and black pieces here. So I went ahead and cured that for 60 seconds. And now I'm going over that with some top coat because these pieces will fade if you don't, top coat them. Before I cure again, I'm just going in with some iridescent crystals. And I cured that for 60 seconds. And once my nails have cooled down, I went in with my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Just a very sexy, lacy black and gold set. The lace is just amazing and I cannot wait to try this again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longhairprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will talk to you in my next one.